Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. So today I want to show you how can we create a wavetable from any sound. Okay, I'm pretty sure some of you already know how to do that, but well, I think it's a good sound design technique, and it's good to explore. So I will give you my tips on it using Wavetable from Ableton Live. So let's dive into it. Okay, so we have here kick and bass and some drums, and we're gonna to now just don't use the drums, and insert the MIDI clip, and let's make some squelchy sounds. Like I don't know if you know the how can we create like water sounds with analog. I will explain here a little bit, but I have a tutorial for it. If you want to check it out, just click on the video that will show right there, and basically we can have a very low note here, like let's go for a, I don't know the bass note, but it doesn't really matters, like D. Let's go for a D. So we are A, D0, and let's hear it. Okay, very nice one. Good. Okay, we're gonna push up the resonance. We're gonna maybe put a high pass filter. Yeah, there. More resonance. Okay, so here we have the liquid sound. Okay, now we're gonna use an LFO. Gonna use an LFO, or maybe let's use this LFO. Let's put it quantized 116, and let's put a noise. Yeah, let's see if we connect it to this frequency. Okay, we have this kind of sound. If we put it faster, start to hear these droplets, right? Okay, let's also connect it to the pitch a little bit. Okay, not that pleasant. Let's put just a little bit. The more we push up the resonance, the more liquid it is, but we have to pay attention to the amplitude of the sound. So we're gonna put a limiter to prevent overdrive. Okay, let's put a little bit like that. Okay. Nice. And now we're gonna put a delay. So we have very liquid kind of sound. Let's put a little bit of spread. Let's spread a little bit the right channel and the left channel. Give more stereo to the sound. Okay, so we have a really nice sound. But as I said, we're gonna talk about Wavetable. So we're gonna freeze and flatten this sound. I like this sound, so let's freeze. Also, we had freeze and flatten there. I don't know why I didn't put before. Okay, so we have our nice crazy sound. Which is already a good sound. But we're gonna now insert another MIDI and put another note. Let's go for D2 maybe. Let's put the legato note. And we're gonna put a wavetable here. And how wavetable works, basically we have slots here of many wavetables, but we have the user as well. Okay, so you can drop here any sample. You can drop, imagine I don't know, let's go for a drum sound, a clap. Okay, put a clap here, you have a clap. Let me just put here so I can play it. Okay, so now I'm playing the clap. If we put here like -24 maybe. Okay, this is the sound of the clap that is decomposed in many waves. Okay, we can put a cowbell here, and we have the cowbell decomposed in many waves. Another cowbell. Okay, let's put 36 maybe, 3 octaves down. Look at this, very cool sound, killer sound actually. Okay, so basically even my voice, if I put here if I record my voice here, let's go for it. Insert audio. Let's put in a part with silence. Let's say a word maybe. Psychedelic. Okay. Let's put in our wavetable. And now we have my voice in the wavetable. Let's see how it goes. Wait a minute here, okay. Psychedelic. Okay, maybe 24 sounds proper. Psychedelic. Okay, psychedelic. The word is there if we move the position. Psychedelic. But each one of these waves, you can use it as for a lead, for example. Which is pretty nice. Okay, so what I want to do is to put these very liquid sounds that I made into the wavetable, because I believe it will be very nice. Let's see how it sounds. Can you feel the liquid sound? Like, very nice. So if we play this, let's turn this off. Okay, and move, for example, the position with an LFO. Let's put LFO 1 to position, and let's go for a very slow time. It's re-triggered. Okay. Why it's not working? LFO 1 position. Yeah, it's too slow. And the amount could be less. Yeah. Awesome. Let's hear it in solo. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. Yeah, it's too slow. Imagine you can put now some effects. We have an intro. And that's like without nothing. If we put like a filter. Wow. So that's a killer way to make very creative sounds. It's to put it on the wavetable, and I really like this kind of liquid sound. You can use it as a atmosphere. You can use it as a lead. If you gate, for example, let's gate it just to finalize this tutorial. Take it. Okay, imagine you can use like a high pass filter. Yeah. Let's take out the telephone now. And you can use it, change the position in a random way. And also the filter. We have like very psychedelic sound. Okay, so that's it. Basically, I think you can do like a lot of stuff with the Wavetable. So just explore it and share your ideas in the comment section. And I hope this helps you like in your productions. So feel free to subscribe, to share with your friends, and have a nice day. Big hug. Cheers.